Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and on today's video we are going to talk about this rumor that has been hitting all over about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Okay, we made a video about it last two, and it happens that everything we talked in that video is coming to light. For instance, we talked about the thickness. Saw a lot of rumor that says that this phone is going to be very lighter compared to that of Z Fold 6. According to rumor we are getting here, they say the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is going to be notably slimmer. That is going to be 4.5 millimeter when unfolded, and is going to be 9.5 millimeter when folded. So that is going to make it extremely slim compared to that of Z Fold 6 that is 12.1 millimeter when folded and with a weight of 239 grams. So Z Fold 7 that is definitely going to be way slimmer. Okay, for the display, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is going to come with an 8 inches AMOLED display with a resolution of 1812 by 2176 pixels, and with a peak brightness of 2100 nits. While the Galaxy Z Fold 7 comes with a 6.9 inches LTO display, but now with a higher screen resolution of 1856 by 2160 pixels with a peak brightness of 2600 nits. So that is the report you are getting. Then another thing we're also hearing is about the display. The external screen is going to be 6.5 inches, while the Z Fold 6 was 6.3 inches when it comes to the cover screen. So definitely the Z Fold 7 is going to be a little bit more larger than that of Z Fold 6. So let's go straight to the performance. According to reports, we heard that this Z Fold 7 is going to come with Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with octa-core CPU that is locked at 4.3 gigahertz, while the Z Fold 6 only came with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. So that means the performance here is going to be large, because definitely with the introduction of AI and every other technology, definitely they will need a processor that is going to be able to handle the capability. So the next thing we also heard is about the camera. We are still going to have that triple rear camera system that is already on Z Fold 6. But this time around, the main camera is going to be 50 megapixel angle wide lens and a 32 megapixel telephoto lens and a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, which is which is almost the same thing with that of Z Fold 6. But the only difference is that Z Fold 6 come with a 10 megapixel telephoto lens and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. So that is the difference. So there's an upgrade in the camera department. Then when we talk about the battery, we heard that this phone is going to come with 4,800 milliamp hours of battery, which is huge and a little bit slightly larger than that of a Z Fold 6, which is 4,400 milliamp hours of battery. So a little bit of an upgrade in the battery department, according to reports that we are getting. And for the charging, we heard that the Z Fold 7 is going to be 45 watts fast charging compared to that of 25 watts charging, which is on Galaxy Z Fold 6. Has an IPX rating, which is, and we heard that the Z Fold 7 is going to come with, of course, the wireless charging capability. So the next thing I want to talk about, which is one of the selling points of Samsung phones these days, ever since let me say early 2025, is about their software. So this new phone is going to come with Android 15. When we talk about the durability, we heard that this Z Fold 7 is going to come with IP69 water and dust resistance compared to that of Z Fold 7, Z Fold 6 that's water resistant but is a little bit limited to dust resistance. And according to price, we heard that the price is going to be ranging between $1,000 to $1,900 and to $2,000. So within those range. But of course, we know that Z Fold 6 started from 1,100 $80 as of 2024 when they released it. So those are the reports that we have gotten for you today. If you like this video, please kindly share and subscribe. I want to be giving you more updates on leaks on any mobile devices that is out there. See you in my next video. Peace out.